Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On the occasion, allow me to deliver a presentation about my article. But before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Vinda Aida Diningrum. I am from the Elementary School Teacher and Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Education, University of Muhammadiyah, Surakarta. Well, just let me start my presentation. In this presentation, we will discuss the article that I have written about the effect of team games tournament learning assisted by Math Basket on math learning outcomes and collaboration skill of elementary school students. On this occasion, we will discuss several topics. The first is on this occasion, we will discuss several topics. The first is introduction, method, result and discussion, and conclusion. Okay, for the first topic is introduction. The background for me in taking the title and conducting research this time includes the learning process will be able to make students actively participate and be student-centered. This is also explained in Permendikbud number 103 of 2014, which states that learning is based on activities with characteristics including interactive and inspiring, happy, challenging, and making students participate actively, collaborative, and contextual. Of course, as an educator, you must be able to create a learning atmosphere that is not monotonous and makes students actively involved. Then in this era, learning is emphasized to be able to develop abilities that include foresee, communication, collaboration, creative, and critical thinking. Collaboration skills are important enough to be developed so that students can develop their social skills. In this study, mathematics is taken because there are some students who still think that math is a difficult subject, so that is affect the grade obtained by students. This is also in accordance with the result of interviews with homeroom teacher of Ngemplak 1 elementary school. By this assumption, there are still 60% of students who have grade below the average. Then, to overcome some of the above problems, researchers want to apply group or cooperative learning methods. Cooperative learning has several types, one of which is team games tournament. This type of team games tournament, students will do learning activities in group, and each group will play games and compete. Then in this study, researchers also add media as a supporting tool to make it easier for students to understand the material explained. The media that researchers use is a math basket, where students will do shopping activities and count the purchases they have made. Therefore, the purpose of this study is to determine whether there is an effect of team games tournament learning assisted by Math Basket on mathematics learning outcomes and collaboration skill of fifth grade student of Ngemplak 1 elementary school. Well, that was some of the problems that I took to the background of my research. Then let's talk about the research method that I did in this study. This research used a quantitative approach. This study used pre-experimental research one group pretest and post-test design because in this study using a pretest before treatment and post-test as an evaluation. Then the subject in this study include all fifth grade students of Ngemplak 1 elementary school. And the data collection in this study used test and non-test technique. The data analysis that researchers used to determine the effect includes normality test and paired sample t-test. Normality test decision making use Shapiro-Wilk, so if the sigma value more than 0.05, then the data is normally distributed. and vice versa. Well, the decision making on the pair sample t-test is if the sigma value less than 0.05, then null hypothesis is rejected and A hypothesis is accepted and vice versa. The hypotheses in this study include null hypothesis, there is no effect of team games tournament learning assisted by MathBasket on math learning outcomes and collaboration skill in 5th grade student of Ngamplak 1 Elementary School, while A hypothesis is there is an effect of team games tournament learning assisted by MathBasket on math learning outcomes and collaboration skill if in 5th grade student of Ngamplak 1 Elementary School. As for seeing the result of the collaboration ability questionnaire score by calculating the average score of each indicator and categorizing it. Well, after next, we will discuss about result and discussion in my research. As for the application of team games tournament learning assisted by basket, the result of the study are in the form of mathematical learning outcomes, data, and student collaboration ability questionnaire. Student math learning outcomes are obtained by the result of working on the pre-test post-test that has been done. In the following is the study data on the acquisition of student score in working on pre-test and post-test question. Based on the descriptive statistical table, the pre-test and post-test score of 5th grade student of Ngamplak 1 Elementary School can be obtained in the pre-test result in math lesson. The lowest score was 30 and the highest score was 90, and an average score of 61.39 was obtained, while the post-test result obtained the lowest score of 40 and the highest score of 95 with an average of 81.11. Seen in the statistical descriptive table, the average acquisition of pre-test and post-test result has increased. Then before processing data on pre-test and post-test learning outcomes in mathematics to determine the effect of team games tournament learning model, researchers conducted a normality test as a prerequisite. Based on the normality test that has been carried out, the resulting normality test output with Shapiro-Wilk shows that the data on the pretest value of mathematics learning outcome is normally distributed because the sigma value is 0.81 more than 0.05. However, the post-test value data is not distributed normally because the sigma value is 0.00 less than 0.05. So to see the effect of the team games tournament learning model assisted by MathBasket Media, researchers use a non-parametric test, namely the Wilcoxon test. Now, the Wilcoxon test, according to Santoso in Seto 2021, is a non-parametric test that can be an alternative to the paired sample t-test when the data used is not normally distributed. Based on the result of the Wilcoxon test, the SIG total 0.00 less than 0.05, which means that there is a significant difference between before and after applying team games tournament learning assisted by MathBasket Media. That way, based on the Wilcoxon test, explained that learning the team's games tournament model assisted by MathBasket has an effect on math learning outcomes. The Wilcoxon test also shows that the sig value total when 0.00 less than 0.05, so that means null hypothesis is rejected and A hypothesis is accepted. Then to see the effect of team games tournament learning model on student collaboration skill, the data obtained from the questionnaire result of student collaboration skill given before the action and after the action. In the questionnaire, there are 10 questions with a maximum score of 4. There are 5 indicators obtained in the student collaboration skill questionnaire, which include positive interdependence, face-to-face interaction, individual responsibility, communication skill, and ability to work in groups. The following are the results of the student collaboration ability questionnaire based on the average of each indicator. Based on the assessment results from the student response questionnaire listed in the table above, it shows that collaboration skill in 5th grade students of Ngamplak 1 Elementary School are increasing. Where before applying the team games tournament learning model with the help of Math Basket Media, the average result on indicator 1 was 63% with a high category. And after applying Team Games Tournament Learning, the score rose to 81% with a very high category. Also in indicator 2, it can be seen that the acquisition score obtained rose from 65% of the high category to 81% of the very high category. In indicator 3, the score rose from 69% of the high category to 81% of the very high category. In indicator 4, the acquisition score rose from 66% of the high category to 83% of the very high category. And indicator 5 also increased from a score of 59% with a medium category to 83% to very high category. Therefore, it can be concluded based on the student response questionnaire that using Team Games tournament learning with the help of MathBasket or with assisted by MathBasket has an effect on student collaboration skill due to the increase in score on each indicator. Well, that was the result of an discussion that I have done. For that, allow me to be able to convey the conclusion of my research article. In this study, the Team Games tournament learning model has an effect on mathematics learning outcomes in 5th grade students of Ngemplak 1 State Elementary School. This is indicated by the difference in the average pre-test and post-test results that have been carried out and the existence of significant difference that have been tested with the Wilson test, which shows the sig value to tell 0.00 less than 0.05, which means that there is a significant difference between before and after the application of Team Game Tournament Learning assisted by Math Basket Media. In this study, the use of the Team Game Tournament type cooperative learning model has an effect on collaboration skill in 5th grade students of Ngamplak 1 Elementary School. This is evidenced by the average increase in each indicator that has been explained. It can be determined that using the Team Games tournament learning model assisted by Mathematics Basket, media has an effect on mathematics learning outcomes and collaboration skill of 5th grade students of Ngemplak 1 Elementary School. Well, that's the explanation I have conveyed regarding my research article. I am very grateful to everyone for paying attention and listening to my presentation. I hope that this research can add innovation in the world of learning. To end the word, thank you and apologies for any mistake I may have made. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.